This is where I live in London, one of the most luxurious residential areas here, right on the River Thames. And how much I'm paying for such? But before, let's have a look what exactly I'm paying for. Now, the city is like really useful. It rains all the time, or when it looks sunny, it's windy like hell. There is like no weather to film in this place. I'm sorry guys, I'll try my best. Brilliant. Oh, hello! Welcome to my house. Welcome to my London home. Come in, come in. Yes, rent in this building for identical place, they call it Manhattan style apartment, is around £3,000 per month. And today I really want to share with you what I have here, and at the end of the video I'll answer your questions I bet you have. Why did I choose this place and how I can afford paying for this place myself. But first, little apartment tour for you guys. What do we have here? First of all, it's a cool feature on the wall that there are no switch lights, or how you call them. In this apartment, everything happening from this little remote controller. You can do the lighting, you can run your air conditioning, your heating here, but it is centralized, and the amount I have to pay for such system, no matter if I live here or if I don't, I cannot switch it off entirely. It's still running, and I'm paying for this anyway. On a positive note, let's continue our tour. This is my little kitchen. So spacious kitchen. I know all my friends and family saying like, what the hell, Miss Goldman? Why do you have such a space? Guys, first, I don't cook, right? And second, I travel all the time. So this space for just me is more than enough to have. I have my super big mirror right here. And I'm using this place as a little storage for my extra pillows for the guests I was expecting but never had. Next door, it's gonna be my bathroom. And the cool thing about it that there is no, again, switch light here. So you're entering the place and you have the light automatically, and I really love it. Even such small place, I have a bathtub and I have 2 options of shower, and it's like, this is how it's done. It's all marble. First, it looks so good. I absolutely love the style of this place. And another amazing point to be a blogger and making your own makeup here, right? Yes, I have the mirror with a light. Well, I don't have many things here. I'm buying for myself only creams, shampoos, and all these things I'm actually using. I'm not stocking any cosmetics, I'm not stocking any hygiene products. If I don't touch any tube for more than 6 months, I'm usually checking the expiry date. If it's still okay, I'm just giving it to my friends, or if it's out of date, what sometimes happens to us, to women, like with mascara or lipstick, I'm just throwing it away with no regrets. I'm not using it, I'm not having it in apartment. Oh, okay, moving next. What do we have? Oh my god, of course we have my favorite Norwegian flags. All the way from Norway. You've seen them on many of my videos and they are still with me. On the wall, you can see I've got this TV. Guys, for 1 year, I never ever used it. Not even once. This is my collaboration corner. I still need to go through it. It's the guy is helping me to lose some weight. I will let you know how I'm doing it in one of my next videos. And this is like super cool modern system. I just started it. It's my day 2. I feel amazing. I'll share with you everything in my next video. This is my little corner for my official employment in the UK. And this is my creative corner. This is exactly where I'm sitting every single evening, lighting that candle, taking my personal laptop, covering myself in that blanket, and well, I'm doing many creative things like editing my videos, writing my scripts. Everything what's on creative part will be done from that little corner. And behind the scene, my bedroom. Yeah, they called it one-bedroom apartment, but well, with sliding doors. Okay, for the first time ever, I'm showing you my sacred place. Oh, never showed it to anyone yet. Never. No, this is my bedroom. Sliding door. Oh, that's my bedroom. Yeah, I understand it's not too big, but for one girl living in London, it's more than enough space, guys. If you don't have any experience with living in London, believe me, it's okay. It's more than okay compared to some other options I've seen and from my friends, and also when I was looking for the place. It's a spacious one. Believe me, this is Dad. Dad with me since 2017. Now Dad is traveling in different countries with me. He's my best friend, travel companion. My wardrobe. Yes, this is the only wardrobe I have in this place, and thank you so much for this lesson. When I came here and well, I realized that all my stuff I brought back from Norway doesn't really fit this place, and I left for me only things I'm actually wearing and I'm actually using. So I separated my wardrobe not by colors like many fancy people do. I separated my wardrobe for winter, summer, and a little bit of mid-season, right? Okay guys, so I guess that was my apartment too, but it's not just this building, this development providing some other interesting features together with the price you're paying. And right now, let's take a little tour around the building and I will show you what else included in the price of the apartment here. Let's go. Hi. Good morning. This is the business lounge or co-working area of the building. It has a coffee machine. You can have different types of coffee here. Conference room, which I'm also using from time to time for filming my videos. There is also a cinema here. Cinema room, a private cinema, which I used once. And let me show you my absolutely favorite part of this building. I'm going to the gym every single day. I'm doing my exercises for at least 30 minutes every single day. After that, I'm going to the swimming pool and I'm going to the steam room or sauna, enjoying my time, relaxing my heart, finishing all my activities and going all the way up to carry on working. Let's sit here and I'm gonna ask the exact questions. You're going to throw at me the comments down below. I know you will. Let me answer them right away, right now. So yes, the rent in this building for a small Manhattan-style apartment is £3,000 per month without bills. And your question number one, how do I feel about living in such a small place? Some people calling it a shoebox. To be honest with you, I feel perfect. I don't need much space for myself. You see, I'm organized all my space considering on all my activities. The location is perfect. It takes me about 30 minutes without traffic to go to Heathrow Airport. The Victoria train station is about 10 minutes walk from here, which means that I have identical 30 minutes by train to Gatwick Airport. It's about 15 minutes walk to London Eye and the Parliament, which means that anytime I want to go out to London city centre, I'm doing it by walk. That's why I'm enjoying it this much. I don't really need to use any public transport when I'm in London, and also having 24/7 concierge and all locked gates during the night was also one of my key things when I was looking for the right place for me in London, and I really feel safe coming back here. And I was dreaming to live in exact same building starting from 2016. Like I could not imagine that time I would ever afford this living ever in my life, but I was just like looking at it like, oh my god, I really dream about living here. And now, less than 10 years after, I realized my dream. And your question number 2, I believe, on top of £3,000 rent every single month, what sort of bills I have for this little property? You will be shocked. But you will be shocked during our next video, because this is the exact subject I want to share with you in my next video. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and smash that notification bell if you want to know all the truth of how much you will need to pay as bills, hidden cost for such a place in central London. And for now, stay safe, guys. Be happy, and as our tradition goes, I will see you next week. Love you so much. Love you. Bye, guys. Bye.